Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho with chicken. Start by charring onion and ginger over high heat, then add spices and a whole chicken to cold water. Skim foam frequently and simmer gently for a clear broth. Season with fish sauce and adjust salt to taste. Prepare noodles al dente, rinse briefly, and assemble bowls with hot broth, chicken, herbs, lime, and fresh chilies for brightness and balance. Begin by charring onion and ginger until nicely blackened for smoky depth. Then toast star anise, cloves, and cinnamon in a dry pan. Add spices to cold water with the whole chicken and bring to a gentle simmer, skimming foam every few minutes to keep the broth crystal clear. Simmer for at least 45 minutes, then remove chicken, strain the broth, and finish seasoning with fish sauce and a touch of sugar to balance flavors. Cook or soak rice noodles until they are tender but still slightly chewy, then drain and rinse under cool water to stop cooking. Thinly shred or slice the poached chicken and arrange it over the noodles. Place sliced onions and jalapenos, then ladle boiling, strained broth over the bowl to warm everything. Finish with basil, bean sprouts, lime, and hoisin or sriracha on the side for guests to customize their bowls to taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.